Kamadonsela and Khanyo dumps Thokozile's body in a field, but the body is found. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu, the seat from the 18th to the 22nd of October 2021 on Monday. Kamadonsela and Khanyo dumps Thokozile's body in a field, but the body is found. Fikile reveals to Nkululeko that her mother treated her terribly and that there is no love between them on Tuesday. After learning of Thokozile's death, Nkululeko grapples with guilt and tells Fikile that he failed his mom. Nkululeko cancels Fikile's party after being intimate with Landile. Lulu says a conflicted goodbye to him on Wednesday. Kamadonsela and Khanyo are anxious when the police pay them a visit. Kamadonsela offloads her conscience to her Gobela, who tells her to make her amends with her ancestors. Nkululeko changes his mind about Fikile's birthday on Thursday. Fikile gets the shock of her life when she sees her mother at the party and it tells her to leave. Khanyo confronted her father for granting Nkululeko permission to use the church for Thokozile's funeral on Friday. Fikile meets her mother again after 8 years and tells Nkululeko more about her childhood. Lulu, Faint and her friends find out that she's been taking unregistered pills. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.